Cloud computing, as it is known today, is a buzzword in the industry. I personally feel that it is actually a blessing for the SME. Now, small to medium enterprise is really struggling with two aspects of ICT. One is the technology part, with its huge obsolescence factor coming in every few years. And secondly is the manpower to manage it. So there are two aspects, the technology per se by itself and the management of technology. Now the SME is always struggling to find quality manpower to manage the technology. Now if you were to look at SME is actually short of time on most of the issues because SME have to grapple with many issues at the same time. So when they go into buying technology, I will not like to say that they go with half the knowledge, but the knowledge is quickly acquired, which may not actually help them select the right technology or the right IT products for their organization. And once you bought them, it's like getting married to them. You're stuck with them. Cloud computing is an excellent alternative for you to try technology and feel comfortable with it, see what is the best fit for you. And additionally, what it achieves is that the management of technology is completely outsourced. The technical manpower that is required is available on the cloud, for the cloud, at much lower the cost that it would require you to do. Today all businesses are 24/7. So just imagine that if you were to run your IT department 24/7 just to disseminate information, what it will cost you. When you go on the cloud, the whole support of this comes to you at fraction of a cost. So that is the biggest advantage of the cloud, cloud offering to the SME. We at Progression have been focused on SME, and we have been bringing all these benefits to the manufacturing units or to the consulting units or to the knowledge dissemination units in and around the NCR area. And why cloud in India? Because latency on internet is a serious concern. You can host it in the US, you can host it on the moon, but it will take you all that much longer to access the information or to disseminate information. For example, if an SME is running a small portal on CRM and it is hosted in the US, the customers will experience outages, will experience slow access. But when it comes to the CRM being hosted in India, the access will be all that faster. And if the cloud provider is giving you 24/7 services and an excellent uptime, you will always feel the results are much better. So at a conference like this, what we do find is that there are a lot of women entrepreneurs who are looking at acquiring knowledge in a shorter span of time. That is why these conferences are conducted. And what I would like to specifically say here is that women entrepreneurs, or any entrepreneur for that matter, is a multi-talented person. He handles many issues at the same time. Getting rid of one issue, which is the IT management and IT purchase, will save them time to focus on their core business. Like I said at the conference, the business itself is a project. At least get one component out of this project and focus more on your project, which is to make success of the bigger project.